Hello friends, welcome back. So after having made a 3D object, let's see how we can go ahead and print this object. So we have made a very simple tire kind of object, and let's see how we can first of all download this. So if we go here on this icon and if we click on it, you will see that it has got lots of options, but we have to go to download 3D model as an STL file. So this STL file is a common standard file which can be read by lots of software which do 3D printing. So if we download this file, so you can see this file has been downloaded. Now what we will do is we will simply go to a software which is used for 3D printing. This is the software Cura 3D printing software. It is a very famous software and it's free of cost. So you just open this link and download the software and install it. So once you install and open this software, you will find this is the screen which will be available. So here you can go to this open file and open the project that we made. Here you cannot see anything, but if we zoom in, you will be able to see that a very small ring kind of object is there. So we'll just click on it and we will scale it. Say, so this is the object. Now the size of the object is being displayed here. So this is the size of the object. Now here this software is basically for printing in the 3D printers. So now you can easily connect your 3D printer, whichever printer you are having, you can add it and then you can print this object. So it is so simple. You have learned Scratch and from that you have moved on to 3D printing. So with this, we come to an end of this section of 3D modeling and 3D printing. I hope you have enjoyed this section a lot. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.